Hi everyone. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Titilayo. Today we are going to be diving into the world of Canva. Now, this Canva is a tool that can help, in fact, it is beginner friendly. It can help you to do any form of designs, do your logo, using just templates. You can use templates, you can use Canva, navigate Canva like a pro. So today we are going to look at how to navigate the environment, how to use the template to create so many things. Maybe you are a student, content creator, a business person. Canva is there for you to do your work and make it very easy for you to do. So with Canva, you can create a stunning image, a stunning designs that you can use on any platform, reels, your shorts, you can create video, flyer, banner, lots of things without stress. One good thing about Canva is that it is beginner friendly. You don't need to be a, a graphic designer to use Canva. You can use the free version and you can also use the pro. So it's actually good to have the pro version because the pro version will expose you to a lot of things that you won't see or you won't have when you are using the free version. That doesn't mean that the free version is not also okay. In fact, with the free version, you can do lots of things. And it's also good to start with a free version. When you start with the free, with time, you migrate and move to the pro version of it. Okay, let's dive in. So go to your browser and type www.canva.com. You can use it on any device. And you can also download the app and have it on your phone. But in this tutorial, I'll be using a system. Okay, so now look at it. This is canva.com. Then when you look at this, when you come to this canva.com, you see the environment and how it looks like. Now in this environment, just look at it. You see lot of things. Let's look at them one by one. This is the home. In the home, you have all these features. So you can see this beautiful environment. You have a lot of things, doc, Instagram doc, whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, website. These are things you can create and more. So if you click here, see all. Let's see all. Yes, you can create course, resume, presentation, and some other things. You can see you can actually pick whatever you want here to create. Okay, so I've gone back. When you look at it, any project you have done will be in this project. Now when you click here, this is templates. It shows you lot of templates. Everything inside here, templates are those things that are being pre-designed for you. You can just change anything that is on it and make it yours. So you can see different templates that you can use. I'm going to be talking more about the templates later. Okay. So also here we have some apps that have been integrated inside this same Canva that you can also make use of. You can see them. Top app for Teams and for you can see them almost all the apps, they are all there. So you can use all these apps even inside Canva here. You can use them inside the Canva here. Okay, so let's go back to home. This is just the screen and how the screen look like. Now let's start with the templates. This is a template. Now what it means is that whatever I want to create, is it for business, social media, education, video, marketing, print product, anything at all I want to create, I can actually use any of these templates. Now look at this is for Instagram post, this for logo, for poster, presentation, resume, document, scroll more. video, flyer, infograph, whiteboard, brochure, invitation, your story, maybe your Insta story, your YouTube thumbnail, all of them, anyone. Now, when I go to YouTube thumbnail now, look at it. If I want, when somebody comes to your YouTube channel, the first thing that will attract them or to make them to see, if they need to come to your channel is your thumbnail. So you can do this on Canva without wasting time. Now you can see so many of them that are already on the screen here. Okay, so now let's assume I want to use any one of them. So I can actually pick any one of them that I like and use it. Okay, if I want to use now anyone that has this star is pro, so I can make use of any one of them. Let's assume I want to use this. Just select it. When you select it like this, you will see by this side, it tell you to customize this template. So when you customize the template, now I'm going to click on the template to customize it. Okay, now this is the template. And for me to use this template, there are things, if I want to change the image here, I can change it. You want to change the text, you can change it. You can change anything here, you can just change it and make it yours. Here now, so let's just use some other features. If I want to type, this is text, look at it. Now, this text, look at them. This is magic write, means let it write for you. Now, let's click on it and see what to do. Now, telling me to put just 5 words. Let me say, use Canva like a pro. Okay, so it will tell me to do what? To generate. Okay, let me see what it will give to me. Have you seen? So if it's something that I need to write, or maybe you are creating a course or anything, you can see it has given me this. Say using Canva like a pro involve mastering a few key features that can elevate your design from ordinary to extraordinary. So look at it. So if I want to put it, it said insert, or you want to copy it, you can copy it and use it anywhere you want to use it. Okay. So now let me go back to test. This is how to use test. Add a text box. If I want to add a text box, I just click like this. You can see this is my text box. So inside this text box, I want to type. I can delete what's there and say I want to put my use Canva like a pro. If that's what I want. But you remember I already have text here. So I'm only use this one to show you. So I can go here to this place and say use Canva. I'm making this place like, then display a pro. You see? Then I can remove this image there. Have you seen it? So what will I do? How do I put image in my work? I can quickly go there, look at it. Here is the image. Go to image and it will show you to upload file. I can actually search for image here. I'll go to elements. Have you seen elements here? Okay. So in the elements, I'm going to say a lady. Okay, so it's going to show me so many of them. Say woman face, photos. You can see anyone that has this means that it is pro. I have a pro account, but this is not a pro account really. So I can just pick any one of them for now. Let's assume I'm using this image. Okay, I'm using this image. I'll bring this image here. Then I want to edit this image. Edit the image. Okay. I want to remove the background. I'll come here. So telling me that I need to pay. So I'll put the image here, the image that I want, and then my image should be PNG image. Okay, so I can use Canva like a pro. I can just change the image to anything at all. To get image, you can come here. You can come here to put an image, or you upload your own image. How to upload your image? You just come here. Let's look at this test. I'm going back to test. In test, if I want to add heading, let's say a big heading to my work, I use this one. I want to add subheading, I use this one. You want just to add a little bit of body text, I use this one. So that's how to use the text. Then I have other font combination here that you can make use of. Anyone that has this means is a pro. You can't use it, you have to upgrade before you. But look at them, you have them. If you want to use this now, you can see. You want to use any one of them, you are free to use them. Look at it, workflow. You can also reduce and increase this. So look at this place. This is 101. So I'm going to change it to, let me change it to like 60. Okay, you can see. So you can, from here, just move your mouse here. So this is to drag it to any part you want to drag it to. Have you seen it now? So this, and you have so many of them that you can make use of. If you are a pro, you can use all of them. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so if you want to use color, is very important. In fact, many things you need to do. Okay, this is if I'm just creating using templates. So we have so many templates like that. So I'm going back. You can see so many templates for thumbnail. It's not only thumbnail, even for others. Let's go back. Go back. Okay. So where I have other templates. So if I want to create, I want to create, um, let's say for social media, look at it. When I come there now, it's going to be Instagram post, and so many of them like that. So anyone you want, the template is already there. Have you seen it? The template is here like this. I can pick any one of them. Now this is Instagram stories. Have you seen it? You can pick any one, modify them to whatever you want. You can see reel, Facebook post. See the reel, you can see them. So many of them that you want to use, you can custom. And if you want to start from scratch, you just click on create blank. When you select create blank, It's going to show you all the things. Then you can start creating yourself. This one means you are doing it yourself from scratch. I'm going to teach this later, but for now, I'm just showing you all the wonderful things you can do with Canva. Okay, so I'm going back, going back to the templates. Okay, so close this. So anyone you want to do there, flyer, Facebook post, just look at the Facebook cover, Facebook ad, story, TikTok video, Pinterest, they are all there for you. So you can just take any one of them and turn it to whatever you want. Anyone, birthday card, and so many other things. So I'm going back to home. Now, I think another thing I need to show you, okay, let me pick a template. Okay, these are templates we are working on. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. So if you want to remove this, you have different ways. You can just click on it and press delete, or you do the right click like this and still go to delete. And you can see when I right click, there are a lot of things I can do with that particular. You can copy, you can paste, you can duplicate, you can align it to page, you can group it, lot of them. We're going to be doing a lot of them later. Okay, so I just want to remove it for now so that I can continue with other things that I need to do. Okay, so I want to show us this element. Now, in elements, we have lots of things we can do. Look at it. Now, what are the things we can do? Arrows. When you need arrows, you come here, you see tons of arrows there. You have the ones that are, you want arrows, just come here. Shapes, have you seen it? The ones that are graphics, photos, videos, where they use arrow, you can see it there. So anything you need to do your work, they are all here. Is it background? If you need background, you see a lot of them there that you can use. Different type of background. It can be a graphic, can be photo, it can be video, it can be frame, it can be mock-up. So anyone that you need, they are all there for you. So you need any image, anything in this element, you get them, anything at all. You can see frames, different types of frames that you can use to do your work. They are there. You can see them, just many of them. Okay, so let's go to colors. You know, color is very important in whatever we are doing. So now look at, this is background color. You can change the background of your work. The background, if I want to change the background of this, the background of this is red. You can see from here, the color is red. And let's assume I'm changing it to this color. Good. So that's how you change your color to whatever color you want to change it to. Want to change it, want to change it, you are free. Whatever you want to change it to, you can change the color. Then here, you can also add new color, maybe the color you have here, because here you have all the document, this particular document, these are colors that are on this document. Those are the colors. Then the picture colors, they are this. Then the solid colors and gradient colors, they are all here. So if I can't find any of the colors I need, I can come here and say what? You can even pick this. You want to pick a particular color, you can pick this, go to that color you want to pick. You can see that's 10 to this color, any color at all you want to pick, you are free to do that. Okay, so this is where we get all our colors. Now, if I want to type, I want my text to have a kind of color. So this color that I just did now, this one is just the background color. What we are doing now is background color. So, but now look at this text. If I want to work on this text now, change the background, change the text color, I'll come here. You can see, you can use any of the colors to change it. Okay, let's change this white to, let me see, to one of the colors here. You can see it has changed, but I'm going to undo it because I like the color. Okay, so we can bold your work to call more attention to it. You can use italics, you can use underline, you can increase and decrease your font size, you can align your work. Look at it, this is center, this is right, this is left, and justification, this is, you can use it. So I'm taking it back to left. Okay, now here you can use bullet list, depends on what you are doing, just like the way we have it in Microsoft Word and other office. Then this is spacing, you can give it space, you can space your work, you can use this one to space your work, you can format your work, you can make it transparent or no. Let's use it for this. Can you see it? You want to make it transparent or not, use this one. You can add effects. Now look at them. All these ones are working for text. So look at it. Text. You can also animate any type of animation you want to use. Their all here. You can animate that text if you want. Then the position, you can take it to forward, backward, center, right, anywhere you want to take it to. So these are the features that you can use. So let's look at our image also. With this image, sometimes like this image is an image that doesn't have background. You can actually use some other tools to remove your background. There are tools that are also free that you can use to remove the background of your image. You can also remove it here if you're a pro user. So if you're a pro user, you come here, remove BG, just here it will remove it for you. Now, you can see I've clicked on remove background. So it can, when you click on this, no, when you use BG, it will just remove it. Let me go back. Yes, remove BG, the work is to remove your background. Then you can use this brush. If there, maybe you have some stains, some things here you want to clean, like now I want to clean here, you can use it. I want to clean here, it's cleaning it. If I don't want it, I can actually do that. Say, okay, no, I can't use it because this account is not a pro account. Okay, yes. Control Z, okay. I don't want the color, remove the color. Then, so when you come to edit, you can edit this picture to how you want it. You can say remove background, BG generator. You can generate a background for it. You can erase something. You can grab your text. You can do a lot of things. Now you can also use filter. You can see different type of filter. You can use effect, different type of effects, different types of effects. You can blur. So we are going to be using all this later, not now. So I'm still in edit. Let me show you all. You can see you can trace, mock up, image upscaler. These are the things you can do when you have a pro account. In fact, you can do almost everything, and it saves you the stress that you pass through when you want to create uh, any design, poster, flyer, anyone at all. Okay, so these are the features. We have looked at the features. We still have some other one. Okay, we have looked at the elements, the design and the templates. You have style that you can also make use of here. Okay, upload. You can all your upload will show here. You have some other tools that you can use to select, to draw, shape, lines, sticky notes, text, table, and so many other things. So you can see we have magic media. You can see where just describe what you want to do. And it will just do it for you. See, say inspire me. Anything at all you want to, you just do it, then it's going to create it for you. Look at these ones that are being created. Let me look at this. Okay, you can generate the image. I don't want to do that now. Even video, graphics, pictures, you are free. Now this is audio. You can add any, she said add AI voice as voiceover if you want. And you have some music also here. Can you see them that you can use? If you are using pro account, it won't show you all this because you can use them free. Now this is background. You want to add any background to your work? Look at them. They are all here for you to use. All the backgrounds that you need. Can make use of any one of them there. So these are features of, so you have so many things, so many things. Look at it. You have template for podcast. Have you seen it? Already there, you design your podcast flyer. So many things. It's radio, you see, which audio, voice, TV show, talk show, anything at all. So you can just pick any of these, use it without any stress, or you design your own from scratch. So there are many things. You are a content creator, you can do most of your work here without stress. Most of them. You can do them here without any stress at all. You can do them here without any stress. So I'm just quickly going to complete this. So use Canva like a pro. Let me do it like this. I don't have any image on my this thing for now, so I'm going to make use of, can reduce this, can increase or reduce it. Anyone you want, increase or reduce, you are free. Okay, now, yes, I think there's something about, okay, let's go back to image edit. I can use, Under my color effects, let me check. You can see face retouch. And retouch the face. See, smooth skin. Are you seeing it? Wow. Are you seeing it? So you can use it. Not, I'm still there. Let me go. You can expand this, magic expand. Oh, so you need pro accounts to do that. There's something I want to check. Okay. Something you can do. Okay. You want to blur your work. You can blur maybe a particular side or you can blur. You can blur. You can blur, 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 blur. Okay. Can you see it? You want to blur a particular place or you want to blur the background, you're free to do that. Okay. This is not what I actually want. Okay. So we're still on this. I'm still on this. Let's go to this filter. You can use any one of. There are still other features that there's a feature I am looking for that is not actually here because this account is not pro. So I think that's why I'm not seeing it. You can contrast your work. You can do it anyhow you want. If that feature, these are just filters. These are filters. Let's open this and see. These are things you can use. Control Z. These are things you can use. So in all, I would say Canva is a very good app, good website that have come to make graphic design easier and better for every one of us. So please don't forget to like, share it with many people that want this particular app. A lot of people are looking for what they can use to make the work easier and better for them. So you can recommend Canva. Let them use it to design. They can use it for their Facebook cover. They can use it for their thumbnail. They can use it for the social media posts and some other designs. Just like that, even the students can use it, business person can use it, content creators can use it, anybody can use it, anybody can make use of it. We are going to use all these things one by one. We're going to use them later. Okay, so now if I'm done with my work, I'll just go to share. Now, in this place, I can actually share it with people if I want. Just type their email, then you are free. You can copy the link and share it with people also, but you must give them access. You can see only you can access it, anyone with the link. Do you understand? So you can also, that's what you can do. Then you can also come, okay, share. You can come here and download. Do you want it as PNG? Mostly it's good if it is like this thumbnail is good as PNG. It depends on what you want. You can open it to see more. It can be JPEG, depends on PDF, print, PDF print, video, if it is video, GIF, GIF. So depends on what you want. So when you select any one of them, in this case, I'm picking this. So if you want a transparent background, the transparent background, if you are not on pro, if you are on pro, if you upgrade your account, there won't be issue. So you can just select this as you have done this. You want transparent background? Yes, you have to pay for it if you don't, if you're on free trial. If you are not, you can just download. So with this one, this is a free account. So I just click on, I've selected, I just say download. Then you go and check it in your device. Just go and check it in your device and you have it there. So like, comment, and tell me any of these features you want me to teach next. See you. Bye.